Welcome to Jessica's Jeweled Art, and I have a few things that I would like to unbox to you today. Um, First of all, I want to say thank you for joining me. If you are a subscriber, thank you for coming back to visit. If you're new, thank you for coming for your very first time. Now, I have four quick unboxings that I like to do. Two are going to be non-canvases and two are going to be canvases. So let's start with the non-canvas first. And I got these from two different places. Um, the non-canvases I actually got from Amazon. And I can never. Y'all know I hate cellophane, right? Okay, and this is why. Um, Now, what we have here is a sun catcher, and that has become one of my new favorite things to do. And look at this one. This is a beautiful one with the sun and the moon shining brightly. And I know it's a sun catcher because we've got the chain. And of course, we have the normal, regular standard toolkit that we toss aside. Um, Now, let's look at these pretty drills that come with it. And excuse the cellophane noises. Now, what do we have? Let's see. It looks like we have a total of 12. We've got 12 different colors of gems, and I'm going to show it to you on the back side. There you go. And they range from very small to, we've got stars, we've got um, ovals, we've got diamond shapes, we've got circles. We've got a lot of beautiful things that are going to go on this. Can't wait to get into it. Now, as y'all know, I can't stand the cellophane, but I do love the binder clips. So we're just going to clip all this stuff together and call it a day. All right, so we're going to set that first one aside. Now, our second non-canvas, this one also was from Amazon. It's from a company called McCary. And we have some wind chimes, again with your basic toolkit. But this one does have some zip top baggies for you for later. It has all of these beautiful medallions that are going to hang from uh, these wind chimes. And here are the three wind chimes. Aren't these beautiful? Absolutely gorgeous. Um, and then these is the hardware that comes with it. The chains, you even have like a little hook for like maybe a keychain. The ideas are endless. You know, that's the one good thing about doing arts and crafts. Creativity is only limited to what your brain can develop. Now, let's see how many drills we have in this one. Oh, and we've got some real pretty colors too. Um, so we have 14, and let's go through them. So we start off with, and these are not, unfortunately, in the DMC codes. They just have a number to match what's on the medallion. But look at all these pretty colors. We have every color of the rainbow and all different sizes. Oh, wow. And look at these little gold beads. I've never seen any like these before. Okay, this should be something fun and new to work with those. And then, of course, we've got these bigger ones. So, that should be a lot of fun to do. Now, we're going to put everything back in the box and move things aside. Now, so we've done our two non-canvases, and then let's do our two canvases. Now, these are from TEMU. The first two are from Amazon. The next two are from TEMU. And I've already taken out that standard toolkit. Oh, wow, look at this one. Look at this. I used to go horseback riding when I was a kid. I did English saddle. And I've always, what girl doesn't love horses? I think that is just like a universal thing that girls love horses. Now, this is a 30-30, and it has 25 colors. And let me get you real close to the drill field. Okay, so you can see exactly where where you're going to be putting in on your drills. Oh, and this is so pretty. I can't wait to tackle this one. Ha! Get it? Tackle? All right. Like a tackle box. Okay. And let's open up and see what kind of colors we're looking at. Oh, and they came in the individual bags. Oh, so that makes it nice. So it's not like the little gravy train that we had with the last two. These are individual bags. And of course, we're going to have a lot of that 310. And you see, it does have the DMC codes on each bag. So it'll be easy to kit up. And then even if you like working out of bags, then you're all set to go. You don't have a thing to kit up. So 25 colors, a beautiful horse, and we're on to our fourth item that quickly. And I guess we're just talking about animals today because this one, now, I tell y'all, I'm not a cat person, but I am becoming a kitten person. And look at these little gems. Aren't they just adorable? I'm not a cat person, but aren't these cute? These are so cute. And this is a 30-30. We've got 18 colors. And let me get up close to the drill field. And you can see the drill field very clearly. And it starts off in numeric and then it goes to alphabetic. So this is so cute. I know that someone's going to love this once I get it completed. And I can see me doing something special with the eyes of the kittens. And maybe even something special in the flowers. I think that's great. Now let's look at the colors. Now this does come in the little gravy train. So let me get it out to show it. And like I said, it had 18 colors, and they all have the DMC codes on there. Or do they? Let me see. No, I don't think they do. They do not have the DMC codes. It tells you that it's a 30 by 30 um, canvas, but you'll get the DMC codes from the legend. But let's look at the colors that we have. I always go to the back side where you don't have the writing and you can really see the colors better. So you've got, oh, this is a bright red. I was trying to see, is that, no, actually that red is 326. I was thinking it was maybe in the 600s, but it's not. Then you got oranges and tans and grays and all sorts of different colors of the rainbow. And of course, we have a whole lot of this color, number 10, which is, yes, your 939. But we've got a lot of beautiful colors going on. And look at this blue. No, that's kind of a grayish, isn't it? Yeah. Ah, this is blue right next to it. Now that's a pretty blue. Okay, so there you have it. We've done 4 unboxings. 2 are canvases, 2 are not canvases. Uh, Everything is beautiful. We got 2 animals, 1 sun catcher, and then 3 um, wind chimes. So that sounds like a full day to me. I hope you guys have a great day where you are and whatever time it is where you are. And I will see you later. Oh, here's a little bonus. Here is a little placemat that I got. Has all the sorority stuff on here. And I thought it would be great to open up everything on here. And I got this from TEMU as well. So 3 things from TEMU, 2 from Amazon, 5 things all together. And I have had such a great time with you guys this morning. Um, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell. And if you like the video, hit that thumbs up for me. And I will see you guys next time. Be good.